Right, so these are L-shaped brackets. So all I do, you got your bracket on the wall, you got a thumbprint, yeah, and then you mark your pipe. It's as easy as that. How easy is it? You got your bracket, bring your bracket round, thumbprint, push your pipe, mark it, yeah. Now this heating has been on. Move the rod out of my way, please. Unscrew it like this. Unscrew the other one. Turn that off. Turn that off. Just get Lee out of the way, you know what I mean? Because he moves like a turtle. In fact, my customer, he can't believe how fast Lee actually goes. Can you, Lee?
Like lightning,
He's like lightning. So what I'm doing is I'm just cleaning that bit of cement off it.
call me Flash.
They call him Flash. Flash. This is going to be hot because he's had it hot. But we're not bothered. Do you know what I mean? We're not bothered. You know why we're not bothered? Because we're just not bothered. Now you could pull the cap off and let it drain. But we might as well just pull it off and jam it on, haven't we? Do you know what I mean? Jam it on. These are my little go-to spanners. Little baby spanners. I love them. This is going to be hot, isn't it? Lee, you should do this one.
It's golden.
So what I'm doing now is I'm just cleaning the pipe work, you know what I mean? There we go. That's one done. Straight on to the next. That is warm. That is warm. It's lucky my dollars like to be warm. Beautiful. That's it. That's all the water that's come out of it. Now we're going to go fill the system back up. We've got the rad on. We've got the rad on. We'll mark his brackets. Rad's going to go on. And that's how you quickly snatch a rad. Bish bash bosh. Then what do? You always make sure your bracket's screwed on here, yeah? And then see what Lee's doing. I don't know what Lee's doing there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Have you even checked his level?
Yeah.
See that bracket? How far away is that bracket from that wall?
Yeah.
Completely wrong, isn't it?
I don't know what you mean.
Well, can't you see where you are? Don't let your sidekick do it. What you want is you want an equal gap. Look, put your thumb there. That wants to be touching there. That wants to be touching there. See this top one here? That is not touching. That's 2 thumbs away. I can get 2 fingers in there. So you need to move that over before you mark it, yeah? And then you need to move that over before you mark it. See how far out? Marking it 10 mil out of line. It's like working with a screwdriver. Right? And then what we need to do is you need to get a level on it. The next thing you need to do, see these pipes, see how they're slanted over there, Lee? See how they're slanted?
Yeah.
So it's no good, is it? So we need to move the rad over this way first before we mark it. So we need to move it like that, yeah? Because these need to be straight, don't they? See, it's always premature. Premature, I can understand why your lass is so fed up. I can understand why she's so fed up, you know what I mean? Everything's always premature. Right, bend the rad at the top, bend the rad at the top. Left. Sorry, right. So, right, push. Now mark it. Mark it, chest. Now we mark it. Now we know it's bang level, bang straight, bang everything. And from his original marks, what he was doing, I don't know what he was doing there, do you know what I mean? But it would have been about 10 mil out. And 10 mil over 1500 is quite a lot to be out. So you mark bottom, well, I've got it. I've got it, Lee, I've got it. Always trickier on a curved rad than a straight rad. But it's okay. It's okay. Come on.
Mm.
Anytime today, all he's doing is drawing a pencil round. Hey, give me it, cat bottom. Just give me the pencil, please. That's all you have to do. See that? Yeah? This is what I have to cope with. This is what I have to put up with. So now what we do is unscrew the brackets. What you got to remember is when you set this rad up, these want to be tight, because if you don't tighten them up, you've got 10 mil different play, haven't you, yeah? Take the rad off. Beautiful. Let's mark it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drill them with my Bish Bash Bosch style bits. No, when you come to work, we leave. It's like coming to work with a newborn every day. You have to train him every single day. Because what he's done before, he's forgot. Yeah, it's forgot. And you leave.
Well, I don't think you keep it in, yeah. You want to draw it.
Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, good. Good. All I'm doing is we're making sure what we've got a square. Making sure we've got a square so all the brackets line up exact. Not just a mil out or 2 mil out, it's going to be exact. Now we get this drill bit and we drill it. Thank you. Could I have a new drill bit down there, please? The customer, he likes to get involved. I got a nail. That's it. You can come in if you want while you really got it.
Yeah, go see.
It's alright, we should done. He's been like a shadow. These are porcelain tiles. Porcelain tiles. These Bish Bash Bosch tile bits, you can buy them off me. Keep them cool. Always start from the top. You know why you always start from the top? Because it's always harder. You start from the bottom, work your way up. The bit's getting warm, and it's always harder to drill, so you got more weight. Now, get the SDS.
Yeah.
On this end, we're going to put 4 inch in. Making sure I don't only do 4 inch because I don't want to go through. I'll be through into next door. And there you're going to be able to hang the jacket up on it. a red plug in a breeze block, and then when you screw an 18 bolt, it'll swell out.
No.
So with this, what you want to do is hammer it in, and because we've got the centre bit, we're going to wipe all these pencil marks off. We're going to screw the bracket into the centre bit, and that's it. Job's done. Don't clap for me, Argentina. And this is how long it's took me to second fix. I paused the video and deleted the video. Look at that, that's as bent as Lee, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? Put that in. Always hammer it in. Always hammer the plugs in. Otherwise you smash them. If you're ever hammering against the tile, always use a rubber hammer. Because it's good quality. Right, we'll just get one of my lights. There's a bit of tissue there. Huh? Always clean as you go, and then you don't have to go back over and do it again. Dog sneaked in again. Told him he's banned.
He's looking at you last time, isn't
Yeah. Always silicone. Why are we silicone? Oops. Go on, dog, get out. Kid. Go on. Part of family, that dog. Thank you. Nice. Did you hear the bite? That's what we want. You see these rags, you don't want people pulling stuff on them. What's that? What's that about? Don't say. Pass that level behind you, Lee. Yeah, pass that level, please. Behind you. Now and all that. So they stop. Oof, that's a tight fix. Right. Where's my other bracket?
Good.
Yeah. I had it in my pocket for safekeeping. Because they always go missing. Right, we get level on it. Level travel. Sometimes it just needs a gentle persuasion. Thank you. Just put wire there. You can't get the staff. You can't get the staff. Right, move that bucket out of my way, Lee. Do something, please. I just sold everything. It's alright, Lee. I just sold everything. Nice. Screw it up. Right, get his chrome caps leak. See it dripping? Yes, we know it's dripping. You know why it's dripping? Because I ain't tying it up. You know why I ain't tying it up? Because you don't tighten it up until you get it on there, and then you can tighten it up. Don't have to be over tight, otherwise you'll catch it leaking. Level. Think that. Make sure it's bang level, as you can see it's bang level, yeah. Then we fix the screws in. Never use a drill. Always use something else. Use a screwdriver. See how they've got rads bent there? Don't try screwing it up like that, because every time the rad warms up, it's going to click and it'll bounce back no matter what. Because the rad's bent, do you know what I mean? Right, screw the screws in there, put the caps on, and that's how we do a radiator, start to finish. I think maybe 20 minutes out, and it's done. Look at that, it's a masterpiece. What's that for? We're going to turn them back on, fill rad up. We're just going to screw them, 4 screws. One there, one there, one there, one there. That's it, and then we're going to put some chrome covers on it. And job's a good one. Beautiful. And there we go. Look at that. It is beautiful. Cannot get better. Better, Trevor? Yes? It is like a masterpiece. Ching ching!